students. Geography lesson, topographical map revision work. Topic, other methods of representing relief. Some methods you also read: hatchures, hill shading, form lines, spot heights, and today we discuss benchmarks, triangulated height and relative heights. These three relief features are very important, most important of topography. First topic, benchmarks. Benchmarks also indicate heights of places above sea level. All contour lines, spot height, form lines, benchmarks, relative height, triangulated stations, all are indicates heights with some differences. Benchmarks also indicate heights of places above sea level. Benchmarks are usually metal discs set into concrete on the walls in a building or into a rock in the ground. Means like as a nameplate, usually metal discs set into concrete on the walls in a building or into a rock in the ground. They are also marked on a stone or on a pillar in the ground. Benchmarks are also marked on a stone or on a pillar in the ground. They indicate the elevation at the benchmark. On a contour map, a benchmark is easily identifiable since the capital letters BM, are followed by the height of the place. On a contour map, a benchmark is easily identifiable since the letter BM, capital letter BM. Here also given BM 225.3. It is the benchmark. It is the height of this place. And downside given BM 224.6. And benchmarks differ from spot heights in that they give the height of the spot where the benchmark is located and not that of the entire area or region. Spot height, it is fixed height, and benchmark differ from spot height in that they give the height of the spot where the benchmark is located and not that of the entire area or region. It's height where benchmark is located. And second, triangulated stations. Triangulated stations is also a specific spot on a contour map that indicates the heights of a place. It also indicates heights of a place, but it is a specific spot on a contour map. Such a spot is called a station and is located in the highest region of the area. Triangulated stations indicate highest region of the area. On the map, triangulated stations are sometimes indicated with a dot. With a dot. Triangulated stations with a dot inside a triangle. Now usually there is just a triangle besides by the number that indicates the height of the place. So here given triangulated height 284 meter. Okay. Next, relative height. A relative height is not the height of a place or object above sea level, but rather an approximate height in relation to the surrounding area. Relative height means approximate height to the surrounding area. Normally, relative heights are given for objects such as wells, canals, rivers, embankments. Seven R and 8R is the relative height. I am searching 7R and 8R. 7R. Here is 7R and 8R. If you are watching, but it's not clear. Oh, it is geogal. Here also given R, but it's not clear because here sandy dunes are present here. In here write 8R, 5R, like as a 5R. So, means R represent relative height, approximate height, and a small letter R. Small r follows the number indicating the height or depth. In case of a well, the side of a river bank or canal, it's called depth, otherwise height. Height of the embankment from the surrounding ground level. So it is relative height. Relative height is approximate height given any diagram as a temple, rivers, embankments, canals. It is relative height. All heights, all other methods of representing reliefs: hatches, spot height, form lines, benchmarks, relative height, triangulated height. Watch carefully this video and understand these heights, these relief features. Okay.